Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with beautyandthestamper.com, and many of you were asking about my paper share that I had mentioned. I had sent it out in my newsletter and some of you guys had purchased it. I still have a few left, so I wanted to tell you guys so you knew what it was, and I'll put the link down below if you wanted to grab one for yourself. So let me show you. I'm so excited that I get to show you the inside of the catalogs now. So we've got all of the designer series paper, all the new stuff here with the new in colors, and then all these great papers. And you can see them, they're so pretty, but then when you see them in person, oh my goodness. So I'm going to show you the papers. It'll be quick, but you get one 6x6 of every new designer series paper. So let me go ahead and show them to you. We'll see if they go in order. I hope they do here. But the first one, this is called Dino Roar. It's really cute. This is a nice little one for a boy. They are double-sided. The only ones that aren't double-sided are the foils, and I'll show you that. But super cute, even for a girl. This doesn't even have to be. This could be a really pretty, like, congratulations card or something like that. That looks similar, but it is not. Look at that. So, it's so nice to see it up front, too, and then, like, up close in an actual sheet. Look at those little eggs. Super cute. Next is the lighthouses. What's this one called? This is called Come Sail Away. And these have a very nautical theme to them. And this is my pack. I, of course, had to get one for myself. Lots of little compasses there. Some sailboats. This is perfect for Father's Day. We've got some nice stripes. There we go. This one reminds me of wallpaper. Both sides. This one, oh, this is a fun one there. Oh, there is a delivery. So, that's nice. I love the ropes on here. And then, you guys, I have to say, this is one of my favorites with the compass there. I just love it so much. So I like this. I like that I bought all of them. I like that we're doing a paper share of it. That way, if there is something that I know I cannot live without, I will be buying it. So the next one we're moving on is called Mosaic Mood. And let me go ahead. I don't know if you could see or not, but this is a raised, and it's very shiny. So I don't know if you can see some of the shine on there, but a lot of them are. Oh, let me show you the back. I think this one is my favorite from that pack. Beautiful rose. Again, has some shiny. And I just love those mosaics. This is another really pretty one. Oh, I didn't show you the back. There you go. I'm so enthralled with the shininess of this. And then there's that rose again. Now this one, the back side is not shiny. It is flat. But this side does have some texture to it and some shininess and gloss there. These little hummingbirds, super adorable. And then some just mosaic pattern there. This one is like a cable knit and it's got some shiny in there. And then this is the back of it. Here's those birds again, but this time they have the shine. So pretty. And then this guy here. All right. Next we are moving on to, oh, this one is the pressed petals. Okay, so with the pressed petals, let me show you and then I'll tell you about it when I get there. This one, really pretty. Look at how pretty that is with the script on there. So many cards. Oh, as soon as I see something, I'm like, ooh, this color will go well with it. So, I mean, that looks like the blueberry bushel would go. Let me see here. See, that is blueberry bushel. See how pretty that would be all together. Oh, and then we've got this one. It's got some nice like arbor gardening type of stuff on there. And look at all these beautiful ferns. And then that kind of looks like burlap, so you know I love that. This is the one I was going to tell you about. This one, let me bring out the book again. This one is this guy here. So you can see that it's got all these different shapes. So when we cut them in 6x6, I was like, oh, that one's not going to be coming out real nice, but it really does. It the other pieces look just as nice. And I mean, you can do your whole card with that. You got pieces here or here. Just so many great things that you can do with those. So I was pleasantly surprised by the way these came out. And then we've got these. That's nice and pretty. And we've got a wood background, so that's good. We've got these little flowers, and they look like those pressed petals of these here. The little washies that I showed on yesterday's unboxing. So you can make flowers that look similar to that. Really cute. Oh, let's look at the back of this. This one has a purpley little stuff talking about flowers. Kind of looks like a newspaper. And then this is a new set. I mean, they're all new, but it's different even though it's flowers. This is actual called Perennial Essence. And it is so pretty. Look at that. It looks very watercolory. It looks like one of the, is it a Monet? Is that who does that kind of look? Anyways, it's beautiful. So, there we go. Look at these so pretty roses. And it looks like it's just, it looks like, actually this one kind of looks more acrylic than it does watercolor, but it's just so soft. And there's so many colors to pull from. Look at that. That looks like a night sky or northern lights or something. Really pretty. And this one looks similar to the other one, but it is different. These kind of look like maybe some lily pads or something. And then this. Is this a different one? It is. Got some snail adhesive running back there. Okay, this one is called Woven Threads. So that's this one here. And it's just so pretty, that little medallion there. And then we've got some patterns. This one is a lot of patterns. So these are going to be great background papers. So nice. Some of these, even though I had them I had to sit with them and look at every single one, I didn't really look at the backs. So these are really nice. This looks like faded jeans that are popular right now. And this one here, that's a really pretty background. And then this one, we're moving on. What's the name of this one? Is Garden Lane, I believe. I could be wrong. Let me look. I think this one is called Garden Lane. We'll see. Yes, it is. There we go. Really pretty. This one has a lot of green color in there. This one kind of looks like a quilt. Really nice. A lot of these remind me of some wallpaper, but it is really cute. This one you can add a little bit of brown to it, make it camouflage, maybe for a Father's Day card. And then we've got this. Super pretty. And then this is one of my favorites, moving on to the bird ballad. The birds are just so pretty, and they remind me a lot of the, is that a foot? Those are little feet on there. This reminds me a lot of the paper pumpkin that just came out. Really pretty. Oh yeah, it is. It's basically the paper pumpkin that came out. These feathers, really pretty. Some bird cages. So nice. Oh, I love keys. If you know me, and personally, if you'd ever been to my house, you'd see that I have lots of keys.
So many keys.
So many keys. So we've got these birds. Some nice stripes there. Some more of the pretty birds here. And some polka dots. Now this one is, I think it's called Magnolia Lane. Let me see what the name of it, just to make sure. Yes, Magnolia Lane. This is a very, very popular one right now. So let's see here. We got some magnolias and then some wallpaper. This one's really pretty. That would go really well for background. But then you've got this. Oh my gosh, I would cut it in half, put them together. They're so pretty. We've got some more. I call this wallpaper. It just looks like wallpaper to me. And some more little mini magnolia blooms. Really pretty. Some more of these guys. I see they are different. They look very similar, but they're different. Okay, sorry about that. I ended up getting a phone call. So let's move on. So I think I was showing this one to you. Really pretty. And then that's the end of the magnolia. And then we're starting, the next one is called, I think it's called Follow Your Art. Yes. So these are very bright, very pretty, and they go with one of the stamp sets that are really nice as well. Look at that. I mean, if you're watching this video, I know that you can relate to all of this. There's the snips and the scissors, some glue guns, some refills, some nice little buttons and ink spots on there, and then a nice background. We've got markers, blenders, watercolor pencils, all kinds of fun stuff in here. And then this is cute. This has little shapes there. And then we've got some brayers and spatulas and paintbrushes. And then just a bunch of squiggles here. All right, this one is the See a Silhouette. This is another one of my favorite ones. There's one in particular that I just love, and I'll show you that. We were talking about what it looked like, and this kind of looks like a dragon. And then a nice real red there. This looks kind of like a wave. And a really nice midnight sky there. Some really pretty flowers. That looks like it's brush show. Got some leaves there. That looks like some more brush show perhaps. This one looks like some bricks. Really pretty. And really pretty there. That looks like it could be like a night sky. And then this one is my favorite one out of that whole pack there. I just love it. Really pretty. Okay, and now we'll get into, that was all of the different designer series papers. And then these go into, oh, I still have my favorite of the whole entire catalog, actually. But now we're going to do the in colors. These come in 6x6, and you will get these as well. This is the new in colors, as well as the old in colors. So we've got some blueberry bushel here. Really nice. I love the script. And then the gingham or buffalo plaid. This is the Call Me Clover, and they're all the same. This is the Grapefruit Grove. We've got some lovely lipstick here. And some Pineapple Punch. And then we move on to some of the new colors. We've got Pretty Peacock. We're almost done. We've got the Purple Posy. Beautiful. The Rococo Rose. And then finally the Seaside Spray. And I'm gonna, oh no, that's not finally. We've got, I'm hiding this because it's just like Christmas for me. The Seaside Spray. And then finally, before we go to my favorites, we've got the Terracotta Tile, which are the brand new in colors. And some of these words on here that says, oh gosh, you know what? Look at, I have to get out these little readers to be able to see what it says. Okay, it says create, share, ink, stamp, repeat, inspire. Oh, that's so pretty. I don't know if you can see that or not. I had to put my glasses on to be able to see. Whoop. All right, now, here we go, you guys. We've got the foils. Look at that. Woo. This one is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So those are the foils. And then this one is, that's the Noble Peacock foil. And then this is the Noble Peacock Designer Series paper. Look at it. Oh, it's really nice and shiny. And then it also has some matte in there. That's really nice. And then there's this one. It's got little peacock flowers. And are you ready? Are you ready to see my favorite one? Oh, it's not going to do it any justice on here. But look at that. Oh, look at that glisten. This is the most beautiful paper I have ever seen. I'm going to buy more and more of that. I already know. So, there you go. So if you want to purchase this paper stack like this, it is only $47.50 plus shipping, and I believe there might be tax as well. So I'll put the link down below. I do have a few of them left, and oh, it's such a great deal because you get 6x6 of every single one of these. So I thought that would be a nice, fun way for everybody to share in getting some of the new Designer Series paper. Rather than just picking 4 of them, you get to have all of them. So, all right, beauties. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!